We're going to take a look at Business Model Canvas. This is simply a one-page overview of a business. We're going to go over the components of it, the questions we can ask, and then we're going to show you an example completed business model canvas. We'll start with the key partners, and here are the questions to think about. Who are the key partners? Who are the key suppliers? Which key resources are we acquiring from the partners? And which key activities do the partners perform? Here are some of the motivations for partnerships: optimization and economy, reduction of risk and uncertainty, acquisition of particular activities and resources. So key partners listed here. Under key activities, what key activities do our value propositions require? Our distribution channels, our customer relationships, and our revenue streams. Some of these categories would include platform network, problem solving, or production. The next section is key resources. What key resources do our value propositions require? Our distribution channels require, customer relationship, revenue streams, and the types of resources could be financial, it could be human, it could be physical, it could be intellectual, which could include patents, copyrights, data, brand, those types of things. The value propositions: what value do we deliver to the customer? Which one of our customers' problems are we helping to solve? Which customer needs are we satisfying? What bundles of products or services are we offering to our customer segment? And under this, some characteristics could be the cost reduction, risk reduction, performance, newness, etc. Under customer relationships, what type of relationship does each of the customer segments expect us to establish and maintain? How costly are they? How are they integrated? Several questions there. Then we have channels. So how will we reach our customer? How do they want to be reached? How are our channels integrated? Which ones work best? How are we integrating them with customer routines, and so on? Then we have customer segments. For whom are we creating value? Is our customer base a mass market, a niche market, segmented, multi-sided platform, diversified? Who are our most important customers? Those would be items you would list here. At the bottom, you see cost structure. What are the most important costs in our business model? What key resources are most expensive? What key activities are most expensive? Is your business more cost-driven, low price value, value-driven? Is it lean cost structure? So that gives you actually some examples of each of these. Some of the simple characteristics under your cost structure could include fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed cost would remain the same each particular period of time, which would include utilities, rents, and salaries. Sometimes utilities vary, but we consider those generally fixed. Variable cost, economies of scale, and economies of scope would be included under cost structure. Under revenue streams, so this will be our expenses and our costs. This is going to be our revenue. For what value are our customers willing to pay? How would they prefer to pay? For what do they currently pay? And so on. Some of the types of revenue streams could include subscription fees, advertising, asset sales. For the fixed pricing, is there list price? Is it volume dependent, product feature dependent, so on? And then dynamic pricing could be negotiation. Is there any bargaining, yield management, and real-time market? And this example also gave you the template that you would just fill in, so you could go in and type in to use this template. So I'll include that in the description here, but here it is, businessmodelgeneration.com/canvas, and it's just free to use. So if you need to know how to use a lean business model canvas, this is your template. Then I wanted to go over, see if I can find the example that I have here of a completed business model canvas. So let me go back to the screen and see if I can pull this one up. So here we have, this is from bizdesign.com, an example here. So under key partners for this product or company, let's see if it gives us the name. It doesn't give us the name. It's going to be, the key partners will be the banks, automobile repair shops, car rental companies, advertising outlets. The key activities: attracting and registering new customers, updating and maintaining existing customers, closing accounts of customers that leave, and handling claims. Some of the key resources are stable financial capital, constant customer contribution, excellent reputation, good organizational values and culture, office equipment, loyal customer base, skilled and knowledgeable staff. Value propositions would be automobile insurance for individuals and for businesses. And if you can see, this kind of looks like sticky notes. So I think that's what we're saying here is you could build this, you could put sticky notes on here, change them around, add and subtract as you needed to. For customer relationships, personal assistance and policy customization, expertise in claim assessment, speed in handling claims, must be an insurance business, expertise in damage assessment. The channels could be billboards, internet, web, email, etc. The customer segment includes households, single employee businesses, businesses with less than 50 employees, and businesses with under 500 employees. For their cost structure here, they have some salaries and rent, utilities, carpool, devices and office supplies, claims, partner fees, marketing, and they even have a category for other. For the revenue streams, they're going to include household contributions, single employee business contributions, businesses under 50 employee contributions, and then businesses under 500. And so this is a sample of what a business model canvas might actually look like.